Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 319. If we start with this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 7. So that means the only place the 4 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 7, 8. That 7 makes this our 5, 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 9, 6 here, so 2, 9, 9 here, so 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That 2 makes this our 9, 6, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this row now, we're just missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 7, 1. And for this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 7 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.